So what are the best cryptos right now that are out there? This video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So if you're looking for the best crypto right now, you've come to the right place. The world of crypto can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step. So step one, you're gonna start by doing some research. There are many cryptos out there, but not all of them are right for everybody, okay? Looking for ones that have a good history and a strong support is what you should watch out for. So a great way to do this is by using a platform that you can trust like crypto.com, okay? They basically show you a variety of options with helpful information. Step two, once you've picked a few cryptos that you like, learn about how they work, who's behind them, what's going on, how are they gonna be used in the future. You're gonna know, like, oh, if you're a long-term holder, yeah, this is gonna be worth it. Understanding things like how they grow or what they're used for will help you make better choices. So keep an eye out on their prices, but remember, it's important to be patient, okay? The people that really make it are the ones that hold for a long time, not that trying to make a big trading leap overnight. Step three is you don't jump into everything. You don't invest big right away. You invest small, whatever you're comfortable with. Don't put your mortgage on the line. You gotta take small risks in the beginning. And if you take these three steps, you're gonna be on your way to making smarter decisions in the crypto world. By the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people already on crypto.com, open your account through my referral link below because we can both get rewarded in very nice ways.